Ready?
Possibility. We have to put the fence jacks under each side. Jack stands out. They're late, we're going to squeeze between them.
You don't think so? No, they're not gonna. No. We're gonna have to put the jack stands back to the back, right?
Well, yeah, they had it, or either way, we got some jacks under there, or lift it up with the jack points. Run up, get it out.
Okay.
Might as well just move them back, Bill, to the back of the subframe.
Stop talking like that. I'm recording video. Well, I'm warning you now. Stop talking. Just listen. For once in your life. The biggest thing is clearing everything over there. This has to go all the way up there. This has to go over here. Hold it out of the way. These are the bolts for the transmission mount, I assume.
You want to steady it?
Yeah. We're going to have to come over this way quite a bit yet.
Get over here.
Oh, okay. We've got one bracket here.
Oh, I
take that out.
I put it back in. Here to wherever it went.
Battery. Now,
Put that back and hold that.
Yep.
Get over here. Here it comes. Slowly. Oh, we're way high. I'll lower it down some. We're like,
Yeah, you're way high, but we could probably clear some of this without an issue. There. Cleared that.
beautiful over here.
Hold it. There we go.
A little more. How's your bracket looking?
I'm getting it there.
Further?
Yep.
I think lower again when you say.
Yep, lower it. Keep going. We haven't hit the mount yet. Oh, hold it, hold it. You want me to put the mount bolts in loose?
Yes. I'll just push. Or will I? Am I hitting something? Exhaust pipe. Just let that exhaust over.
Is it hitting the exhaust?
Oh, it's just hitting the end of it.
I think we need to drop it a little bit more.
Yeah, we're putting high.
'Cause we're pulling this way.
Okay, here we go.
Try and hold it. I think I can get it. Can you push it? There we go. I got it started.
Okay.
You want me to try to start the others? Oh, really loose. Got that one started. This is a lot easier, in a way.
It's super easy over here. You just got a couple.
I think I got it. I think I got it.
Okay.
Let me
Oh, I see it. Oh, you get your hand into it quite.
drop it down just a little bit
Okay,
more.
put your hand.
Just a little bit more. But those are in. I'm pretty sure I got a bite on the threads on all of them.
Okay. Oh, we're right at the oil filter. I can't go down much. Let's even push it.
There. What are we hitting on?
Okay, just push it forward. Or is it pressing against something back?
We're pushing on something. Why don't you look back there and see what we're pushing on? Oh,
What?
power steering. Power steering.
Oh, okay.
Man, this wax looks good.
We should have put this end in first.
Can I raise it enough to clear it as we push this back? I need that mount there.
Yeah, this mount will give.
Yeah.
I like the muzzle better than
Just keep an eye on it. Tell me if it's swiveling enough.
Oh. I like muzzle better than regular. Muzzle is the best.
Did I clear that shield yet or no?
So,
Oh, yeah. You're right there.
we just need to
Lower it.
lower it,
Okay, watch yourself.
but we need to get this motor mount on here.
Yeah, but we got plenty. We can lower it quite a bit before we have to. Here it comes slowly down. No more. A little more and I'll call it. Okay, hold it. I'll say leave it right there for a minute. Let's get our motor mount ready.
No!
That hurt.
Something's hidden here. Or maybe it's just this pulling on it. Yeah, we're just put that on there. We don't necessarily need those bolts there, we just need these.
Oh, it's extra.
Man, that fit in there like a two.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Well, I'm using extra.
That's a loose fit there, isn't it, Jeff?
Yep. Give him all that from the back again. Guess we did.
And Jeffrey.
Hey, we're being recorded yet. What you would say?
I'm gonna have to edit that part out. There might be some editing needed on this video. I forgot I was recording it.
Now I got some new caps for those bolts. Hold on, I'll grab them. Right here.
I'd shock my audience with those statements, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Well, you know, new kindergarten rules. What? Yeah.
When they hear a beep, they're gonna know that Bill did something wrong.
Yeah.
Did you put oil in the engine?
Oh.
Oh
Didn't
man,
you, Bill?
no.
I didn't either. I thought we
I
did.
thought it'd be lighter if we didn't.
Well, that's true.
No.
Just like we didn't put any coolant in it.
Oh, you can run it several minutes without coolant.
Hey, we didn't even dent the. Oh wait,
What?
we did dent the oil filter.
Oh.
Darn it.
Well, you probably replace it with a good one anyway.
Put a dent in the hood?
We put a dent in the oil filter.
Well, that's alright. Put another oil inside the match.
I just punched a screwdriver through it and turned it off. How's that? Wow, that went in easier than an edge. In all honesty,
Yeah, alright.
it was. That was far easier than putting the engine in.
Yeah, it took us a little more.
You got more room you're working with.
That's right.
It's like fitting using the shoe on, you know?
Yeah.
You can get a screw.
You know,
I
you
need
still
to
recording?
find the socket size I needed. What?
You still filming?
Yes, I'm gonna cut the filming off and.
Yeah, it's kind of bent in here. Something bigger.
There we go. Motor mount's gonna get. We gotta center that a little bit before we put it in. But yeah, then we gotta do the transmission mounts, tighten them up. Then we can take this off here because it'll be completely suspended by the mounts. So we're gonna do the main bolts. I'm gonna move it so we're centered a little bit. That where you want?
It's good.
There we go. The rest of them should be lined up. Use that M18 fuel to make sure things are snug with that. There we go. There we go. Got the whole thing in there. That is sweet.
Can't quite get any little extension out.
Then we just got to do these transmission mount bolts. Looks like we can get the top two to go in with a tool, but we'll use probably, it looks like, we're probably going to have to use a ratchet to get that in there. But we got everything done. Now we start putting everything back together. Hooking all the wiring up, the harnesses, putting the intakes on. Intakes will be the last thing. We want to make sure we get most of the wiring harnesses and everything hooked up properly before we start going too crazy. We got to hook up the starter, wiring to it, And then we got to do this intake manifold, but first we got to do the sensor. Once we got the harness down here, we can get that sensor in, and then I can start doing all the rest of the wiring. But we'll leave the harness. We'll leave this wiring harness really loose to do the crank sensor that's inside the bell housing here. And then once we get that situated, then I can do the rest of the harness and get all the wiring up on it. And then we can put the exhaust manifold and cat back on and start hooking all that up, and we'll be in the money. Hook up the coolant. We're not that far away from starting an engine this weekend. Right, we got the transmission mount hooked up, nice and snugly torqued to proper specs, along with the motor mount torqued to the proper specs. So I guess what one could say is we can take this ungodly chain and hoist lifty thingy and get it out of the way, because we no longer have to support anything, because it is all supported properly with the engine and trans mounts. So we don't have to worry about that anymore. All right, we got to clean this up. Getting ready to clean these up before we put them on the starter. Then we can hook the starter up, tighten it down, and then we can put this back in together. And then we're working on this. We got a lot of the connectors are done. Got everything hooked up. I haven't tightened this up unless Jeff did already. Yep. He already tightened that. So we got all this hooked up. Yeah. We are starting to get somewhere with this. I think tomorrow we're probably going to end up putting the front end together and getting a manifold in. We might still try to do the manifold yet tonight and see where we're at. But we're getting there. This thing will probably be running by tomorrow night. Unless we run into something really weird. Don't know what weird would be, but it'd have to be really weird at this point. But yeah, Jeff and I might want to check and make sure there's coolant and oil and transmission's full and all this other stuff. Note to selves, remember to check the transmission connections.
Watch this video.
If we spill transmission fluid all over the floor second time, that means that we've just established a process of verifying pressure in the transmission. That's all we're doing. We're just verifying that the transmission pump is working appropriately. We only do it for a few seconds, spill about a quart or two, and then carry on smartly. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to clean up some connections and start finishing some of the rest of this, folks. Positive for children.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.
Record me? It's recording.